Hey, Drone on Dude. So tonight we're working under candlelight. Got a little problem with the car, so I'm just trying a couple of little checks to see if I can get it going. If not, look a bit deeper when I've got time. I'll just show you what we're doing. So, little 1200 Corsa, and we're looking at those little solenoid valves which are on the end of the camshaft, which actually control a valve which squirts hydraulic pressure into the chamber, and that varies the valve timing. And we're getting a fault code P0016, which is pointing to one of those being at fault. So I'm taking them off. That's what they look like. There's a little pin in the middle which should operate as a solenoid. If it doesn't, then we know there's an electrical fault. So that's the first course of action. So I'll see you in the workshop shortly. Okay, so first thing I'm going to check the resistance of the coils inside here which throw the solenoid. Should be approximately 6 ohms. Try and do it with the camera on. So I should be able to get a reading and just get them. Nope, not quite. There we go. So 6.97, 6.7. So that's not far off. And then to the one. Yeah, and there we go. So that's pretty much telling us the coils are okay. So next thing is I've set the power supply to 12 volts. So I should be able to, if I can knock the camera off and I'll just sort out these connections, see if I can put a couple of wires onto there and see if we can get the solenoid to operate. Okay, so hopefully I'll put a couple of little fancy tool I got for taking multi-plugs apart. But these little tubes hopefully will just manage to make contact with the two little pins, and if they do, we should get a nice little click. Tell you what, let's try it just with my hands. Oh, there we go. So try that again. Yeah. Okay, so that solenoid's working. Try the second one. So I've got my little power supply on 12 volts DC. Right. Now I've got a bit of movement there. Wasn't that positive? Yeah, so looks like both of these solenoids are actually doing exactly what they need to do. So it could possibly be a connection or a wire, something along those lines, but at least we can kind of rule those out. Right, catch you later.